So hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So guys, one common doubt when you start preparing the current affairs for the RBI examination is which newspaper you should pick, which will suffice all your preparation. Because picking up a newspaper is one important task. Then after task, the other important task is which news you have to read in that specific newspaper. Then after that is whether the newspapers are important for the examination, yes or no. And if they are important, then what are the things that we need to keep in our mind when you're reading a newspaper. So guys, in today's lecture, I will be basically elaborating you all your doubts that you have in your mind about the newspapers. But before that guys, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of this very important guidebook that we have prepared for you. Okay? It contains all the informations about the RBI, the hierarchy structure in the RBI, the different departments, and the different roles of the different departments in the RBI. Then this guidebook also contains a very important thing that is about our examination, for which we are searching very important things like what is the examination pattern, what is the eligibility criteria. Then they have also defined the cutoffs, not just only the phase 1 and phase 2 cutoffs. Previous 5-year cutoffs are being given here. phase 1 और phase 2 दोनों की cutoffs अलग अलग हमने आपको बताई हैं. And after that, if we elaborated more, then the next important thing is syllabus has been defined here. Different sources that you need to prepare, because these are the things जहाँ पे आप बहुत ज़्यादा researches करते हो different channels पे जाके कि what are the sources that you need to prepare. Along with that, it's not just only for phase 1 and phase 2. The sources are also been given for your interview preparation also. Then guys, along with that, there is a very important thing that has been given here. If I give you an idea here, is that is the 6-step domination formula. Okay, so I just give you a glimpse of that 6-step domination formula also. So here you can see, you will also be getting a detailed information about the 6-step formula, that how you could dominate your examination. So the important thing is it will really save your mind guys. Within this 30 pages, जो आप काफी जगह पे सर्च कर रहे हो different videos, these all important informations are given here, okay, within this 30-page document. And the important thing is it is absolutely free. You just have to do one thing. There is a link given in the description below. आप उस link को click करो, go through this magazine, and this will really help you in your examination. Now coming back to our video guys, the most important thing when you talk about the newspaper is, because generally you will see the aspirants also, as well as the students who have cleared the examination, they will say that I started reading the financial newspapers, I have read a non-financial newspaper also. But now see, for the beginners or for those people, the most common doubt is how to differentiate which newspaper is a financial newspaper and which newspaper is a non-financial newspaper. Whether the financial newspaper does not contain any information regarding to non-finance, or whether the non-financial newspapers does not contain any information regarding the financial newspapers. Now for that guys, I just give you an idea through the pre-IQs. Okay ji? So here you can see the financial newspapers are basically those newspapers who are catering more towards your finance syllabus, and they will be explaining more elaboratively about the topics that are related to a finance, that is Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. And if I talk about that, the T+1 settlement. So these are the kind of things which you will see more elaboratively in the financial newspapers. ऐसा नहीं है कि नॉन फाइनेंशियल न्यूज़पेपर्स में आपको ये न्यूज़ नहीं मिलेंगे, बट you will not get an elaborative thing. For elaboration, you have to follow the financial newspapers. Now, when I talk about non-financial newspapers guys, you will handpick those news which are basically related to, if I talk about science and technology, poverty, hunger alleviation, these are kind of things which are being given in your non-financial newspapers. Look at the question that is talking about Cyclone Asani, it will be there, Kavach initiative. These will be covered more elaboratively in your non-financial newspapers. So first of all, the first thing that needs to be understand is the difference between financial newspaper and a non-financial newspaper. I think the first doubt that we have in mind is now clear. Now based on this thing guys, we have basically brought up for you that what are the financial newspapers. So if I talk about financial newspapers, here I have listed some financial newspapers, that is Live Mint, Hindu Business Line, Business Standard, and Financial Express. These are the financial newspapers. And if I talk about non-financial newspapers, these are like the Hindu, Times of India, and Indian Express. Now comes a very important question, whether you have to read all these newspapers. Now guys, this is a very commonsensical question. You cannot read 7 newspapers on a daily basis. This is quite impossible. आप 7 newspapers नहीं पढ़ सकते. Otherwise what it will do is आप पूरा का पूरा दिन you will end up reading newspaper only and you cannot do anything. if you read these 7 newspapers. Now based on the PYQs, what we have analyzed is we have basically shortlisted 2 financial newspapers and 1 non-financial newspaper that you should start preparing, that you should start reading when you are basically reading the newspapers. Now for the financial newspapers, guys, the 2 important newspapers are Live Mint and Hindu Business Line. Now what is the credibility of these sources? The important thing is these are being defined in the RBI syllabus itself. If you can see in the RBI notification, they have clearly mentioned the newspapers like Mint and Business Line, which means these are newspapers which are very important because they have clearly defined these newspapers. Okay? Now comes the non-financial newspaper if I talk about. So for that, guys, I will talk the Hindu, because if you look at the paper, there are majority of questions which are being asked from the Hindu newspaper. Now here comes a very important question. If you are reading these 3 newspapers, ठीक है जी, whether you will now score at least 80% of your marks in the current affairs section, because this is the purpose you are reading, this is the purpose for which you are reading a newspaper. ठीक है, especially when I talk about the objective paper, phase 1 and phase 2 objective. Now whether this thing will be done by reading these newspapers, whether you can score now 80% marks, the answer to that will be no. Yes guys, अब आप बोलोगे कि सर अभी आप बोल रहे हो न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ने और अब आप बोल रहे हो न्यूज़पेपर्स नहीं पढ़ने. गाइस, देयर इज अ रीजन फॉर दैट. इज इफ यू लुक एट द पेपर, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर बीइंग आस्क्ड फ्रॉम पीआईबी. ठीक है, अराउंड 53%, अराउंड 54-55% पेपर जो है वो आपका पीआईबी में से आता है. एंड इफ यू आर रीडिंग दिस न्यूज़पेपर्स, यस यू कैन स्कोर एटलीस्ट 45 to 50% ऑफ योर मार्क्स. नाउ कम्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट विल बी देयर इन योर माइंड, इज के सर पीआईबी न्यूज will be given in Hindu and Live Mint also. Guys, I understand this point. Yes, you will find some of the PIB news even in Hindu and Live Mint also, but there comes an important thing that you need to understand. When I talk about why PIB is important, is because the questions, the statements that are being asked in your examination, they are being directly picked from PIB. डायरेक्ट पीआईबी की लाइन कॉपी पेस्ट की गई है. दैट्स व्हाई वी से पीआईबी इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन दिस newspapers overall if I talk about the current affairs, because majority of questions are being asked from PIB. If I give you an example here, the important thing that you will find is the questions that are being asked from the schemes, they are being directly asked from PIB, be it in phase 1 or be it in phase 2. The questions are directly being handpicked from PIB. So that's why we say PIB is very important for our examination, because phase 2 is a scheme dominated paper and majority of questions are being directly asked from PIB. That's why I say PIB important है, but I will not say कि newspapers नहीं पढ़ने. ठीक है, newspapers that you think is now. If I look at the question here, you can see the question on PM Swanidhi. These statements are directly being handpicked from PIB. And if I talk about this PM Jan Dhan Yojana also, these are again the statements that are being directly handpicked from PIB. Now comes a very important question in our mind. So sir, आपने बोला कि PIB important है. Now whether we should read the newspaper or not. ठीक है, नाउ दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि अब इस सबके बाद मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ूं या ना पढ़ूं. सो गाइस, फॉर दैट, बिफोर दैट, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव यू एन आइडिया ऑफ दिस न्यूज़पेपर्स. ठीक है, सो हियर यू आर सीइंग अ स्निपेट ऑफ द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर. ठीक है, लेट्स गो देयर. Let's look at the newspaper of Hindu. So this is a newspaper. This is the Hindu newspaper of 27th of October. Okay. Now you can see the important thing here. So here is the thing. First of all, in the Hindu, you will find that the news are being categorized in various heads like the front page, national, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, New Delhi, other states, international, opinion, business, other things like that. So here you can see the links that are there in the Hindu newspaper. Okay, so this is the Hindu newspaper, but let's talk about the Live Mint also first. Then we will talk about the things here. Now let's go to the Live Mint newspaper. So in Live Mint, one important issue the students must be facing is, if you are self-preparing also, is Live Mint में there is no सेग्रीगेशन और देयर इज नो डेफिनेशन ऑफ एनी टैग. लाइव मिंट में डायरेक्टली आप न्यूज देखोगे तो यहाँ पे सीधा न्यूज जो है आपकी स्टार्ट हो जाती है, कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं, कोई डिफाइंड टारगेट्स नहीं है यहाँ पे. Now guys comes a very important thing to understand here is how, if you are reading a newspaper, because if so you are a champ, you have given the RBI examination for past 2 to 3 years, now you are champ and you have enough time, then you can proceed with these newspapers. If I talk about how to cover these newspapers, I will say first of all you should read the front page. ठीक है जी, national newspapers, analyze the PYQs thoroughly. ठीक है जी, then you can handpick the news here. ठीक है जी, आप यहां से न्यूज, यू हैव टू फिल्टर आउट द न्यूज हियर. ठीक है जी, देन यू हैव टू रीड द न्यूज इन अ स्पेसिफिक न्यूज, देन यू हैव टू मेक योर नोट फॉर योरसेल्फ. दिस इज द थिंग द स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू who itself want to make a notes, जो खुद नोट्स बनाना चाहते हैं, ठीक है जी। तो द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग हियर इज दीज आर काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स जो आप छोड़ सकते हो। तमिलनाडु में कितने केसेस हुए हैं, ठीक है, बट आई विल से वन थिंग इंपॉर्टेंट हियर इज you cannot skip the articles that are being related to this kind of state news आपको छोड़नी नहीं है, at least you have an idea of this newspaper. For linemen guys, the important thing that I will say is you again have to filter out the newspaper. Now based on that, the important thing, the doubts that you will be facing here is, first of all, the most important point here is the number of news articles are very large in these newspapers, both in Hindu and Live News that we have seen. This is the first crux, this is the first issue that you guys will be facing. If you are experienced, you have revised your static thoroughly, you have revised your descriptive answer thoroughly, then I will say you can start with these newspapers. The crux for that will be look at the PYQs, analyze these PYQs and then filter out the news. बिकॉज आई विल नॉट से कि जस्ट आपको फाइनेंशियल न्यूज पढ़नी है, आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ नेशनल न्यूज पढ़नी है. यू हैव टू रीड द न्यूज दैट इज रिलेटेड टू योर सिलेबस एंड द थिंग इंपॉर्टेंट हियर विल बी द रेफरेंस हियर विल बी PYQs. That is the first thing here. Number of news articles are very large, which results us that it's difficult to filter the news here. Because when you are filtering a news, if I say you are devoting at least half an hour to a newspaper, with this thing, if you are doing this thing, around 20 to 25 minutes of yours will be consumed. अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा प्रो हो, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी तरह करो, तो at least 25 to 30 minutes you will be taking to filter out a news. Not reading, mere filtering out of a news will take around 25 to 30 minutes. But if you are a beginner, it can take more time than that also. Then is the important thing, if you have filtered a news, is then important is what to read in a news and what to leave in a news, because it's not that each and every news article that you are reading, each and every point there will be important for your examination. This is the thing here. Now guys, for the students who have time, I will suggest go through the newspapers. You can read the newspapers, but the students who do not have any time, I will give them the result to the solution to that will be, you can go with any compilation of these newspapers, that is PIB, Hindu, Live Mint, Hindu Business Line. You can go with these kind of compilations. Guys, if I talk about EduTap, so we at EduTap have basically be providing you 3 compilations on a monthly basis, which are approaching the 3 different sets of your current affairs, which are very, very important. For schemes, we have a schemes compilation. For reports, we have a reports compilation. And then for current affairs, we have basically categorized your current affairs into 3 sections. That is GA section, which is relevant only for your phase 1, GA plus ESI and GA plus finance section, which are relevant both for your phase 1 and phase 2. But guys, I will still say, it does not mean that I am from EduTap, I will be saying read only these magazines. It's up to you. If you find any other magazine in the market that is relevant for your examination, the important thing is it should be relevant for your examination. If it is relevant for your examination, go with that compilation if they are covering these kind of sources for you. Now comes a very important point that will be there in your mind is कि क्या वीडियो यहाँ पे एंड हो गई, क्या आपने बोला न्यूज़पेपर्स नहीं पढ़ी है, कंपाइलेशंस, यू गो विद द कंपाइलेशन एट दैट सेंट. बट गाइस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, ठीक है, आई जस्ट डिस्कस विद यू फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव, ठीक है, रीडिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर्स इज अ टीडियस टास्क, but you have a very, very important thing that you should keep in your mind is descriptive answer writing. You have to write an essay, you have to write a précis, you have to write a descriptive answer in your examination, and that's not, it's just 50 marks of objective paper in the phase 2, but for phase 2 you also have to go to the descriptive paper. Will these compilations be sufficient for phase 2 also? Guys, answer to that will be they will be sufficient, but they will be limited also. The reason being that is because they are not being prepared. कोई भी compilation इस तरह से prepare नहीं की जाएगी कि आपकी phase 2 की preparation करवा दी जाए. They are prepared in such a manner that you can use the points from these compilations for writing a better descriptive answer writing. Now comes a very important point, that what to read in a newspaper is, guys, editorials. Yes, these are the points that you have to read. इसका मतलब ये न्यूज़पेपर्स बिल्कुल ही छोड़ दो. I will not say बिल्कुल ही न्यूज़पेपर छोड़ दो. Read the editorials that are relevant for your examination, and for that also I will suggest the newspapers that I have discussed with you for financial as well as for non-financial also. Now, when I'm saying reading the editorials that are relevant for examination, here I tell you a very important thing. Here I have given you a snippet of 2 editorials. One is basically talking about global hunger index, and the other one is talking about Rishi Sunak, who has recently been who has recently been appointed as the Prime Minister of UK. Now guys, for us if I talk about this editorial is important. तो आपको सारे editorials नहीं पढ़ने. It does not mean you have to read each and every editorial now. You have to read the editorials that are relevant for examination, and then also the important thing here will be PYQs as well as look at the syllabus. Global Hunger Index directly related to our syllabus. You have read about the findings of the Global Hunger Index, but what is the impact of Global Hunger Index that can be helpful in writing a very beautiful descriptive answer writing? For that guys, you should read the editorials which are related to your syllabus. तो अगर मैं यहां पे बात करूं guys, just give me a second. So if I talk about here, this editorial is not important. It is this editorial that you have to read for your examination. Now guys, this was all about your newspaper. So now what are the important learnings for us when you are going through a newspaper if you are self-preparing your notes? ठीक है, for those students who are self-preparing their notes, I have just given you a solution. ठीक है जी, जो तो नहीं बना रहे वो तो compilations देख सकते हैं for the objective and they can go with the editorials. But if you are preparing your notes on yourself, the points that you have to keep in your mind is you have to refer to the PYQs, because reference to PYQs is the important thing here. Filter the news, refer to PYQs. Then is revise your notes multiple number of times, and if there is any updation in the note, update your note. Then is the important thing here is practice more and more number of MCQs, because for phase 1 clearing objective you have to practice more and more number of MCQs for examination. But guys, the important thing when I talk about editorials, how editorials will be helpful. It's not just reading an editorial will help you. Reading an editorial and implementing that thing in your strategy or implementing that thing in your answer writing is the key. बहुत बच्चे होंगे जो सिर्फ editorials read कर रहे हैं but they could not use them in their answer. This is a thing that you have to do in your examination. For that guys, I would suggest write one descriptive answer daily at this point of time when your examination is here. Just 2 to 3 months before your examination, then you can stop writing descriptive answer writing. But I will say till 1 month before your examination, if you are a beginner, start writing descriptive answer writing, start reading the editorial, start writing descriptive answers, because this will really help you in clearing this examination. So guys, this was all from my side. ठीक है जी, if you have liked the video, you can share the video with your friends also. You can even subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then guys, to get the access of the PDF of the free material that we're providing on YouTube, you can subscribe to our Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. Still, if you have any kind of doubt guys, you can drop me an email at hello@edutap.co.in. You could even place us a call at the number that is 81462-07241. I hope guys the lecture is fruitful for you. Now you must be clear about how you should approach the newspapers for your RB examination. Again guys, wishing you all the best for your examination. Keep working hard, keep preparing. All the best.